Hi, to set camera aspect ratio to 16:9 as default on iPhone 16e, firstly open your camera and make sure you are in photo mode. Now tap this arrow on top and find aspect ratio, which is usually represented here as 4:3. So click it and set 16:9. This is how your screen will look now. This is the result. This is 4:3 and this one is 16:9. So if you wanna set it as default, then you need to go in settings, find camera, go in preserve settings and enable creative controls because it is preserved the last use filter, aspect ratio, or light setting rather than automatically reset. And now you can take photos in aspect ratio 16:9. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.